So this is numbers 3 and 4 on your study guide. I went ahead and I moved it from your study guide onto the graph paper just to kind of go ahead and prep it. But you were given this rule on number 3. You were given these ordered pairs, which you'll see plotted right here, and you've been asked to apply the dilation as well as describe the transformation. So when we apply the dilation, look at what we have here. We've got a scale factor here of 2. And so we're going to multiply both the x and the y by 2. Well, a prime is going to actually stay the same because 0 times 2 is going to still be 0. And then b prime is going to be 2 times 1, which is 2, 2 times 2, which is 4, and then c prime is going to be 3 times 2, which is 6, and negative 2 times 2, which is negative 4. And we're going to go ahead and plot these points. So there's my 0, 0 stays the same. And then we have 2, 4, so 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 becomes my b prime. And then my c prime becomes 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then negative 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's my c prime. So my new figure is going to look something like this. It's kind of a rough sketch here. Alright, but with that, what you'll notice here is that we have a scale factor of 2, which is the first part of describing the transformation. We've already applied the dilation, but we also need the center. Now the center is where all the points come together. So if you'll notice here, if I connect my b and b, they're going to create that line. If I connect my c prime and my c, they're going to create this line, and a is already through that. So there's that center, the center of the dilation. I'm sorry, I'm sure you guys can hear my crazy son in the background. The center of the dilation is 0, 0. Let's look at number 4. Number 4, we've been given this rule here, which means we have a scale factor of 0.5 or 1/2. And so we're going to multiply everything here by half. So my h prime, half of 10 would be 5, half of 6 would be 3. My I prime, half of 8 would be 4, and half of negative 4 would be negative 2. And my j prime, half of negative 2 would be negative 1, and half of 0 is still 0. And now we're going to plot these points. So there's my h prime. There is my I prime. And then here's my j prime. Now, you have to be careful on this one with the center of dilation. Remember, to get your center of dilation, you're going to have to connect the prime and the actual points together. So I'm going to do this with the straight edge just to be as accurate as possible. So give me just a minute. Alright, and so once I have connected these, they're all kind of assimilating right around here, which is going to be the center of the dilation. So the center of dilation is going to be 0, 0.